Hello all, welcome back. Now we will see few more functions in Excel which can be used according to your requirement or need. So first of all we will see odd function. Odd function will do what? It will return the number rounded up to the next odd integer. For example, how we implement it? Equals to ODD bracket any value you can provide in the bracket, and as you press enter after this you will get the next odd integer. Okay, now next is int, and the argument will be number. So what int will do? Int will return the nearest lowest integer there. It will round it up and nearest lowest integer will return there. So you can see equals to int and the value 7.8. It will return what? 7. Now next we are having, as we all know, product. Product, it require a range or values separated by comma. It will return what? Multiplies the value in a range of cell, or some values will given like that. For example, you can see here equals to product and number 1 and number 2 I am giving there. You can provide more than 1, 2 number, 3 number, etc. Suppose I given two numbers 10 into 20. It will product both of them and just return the result, that is 200. Now next is round. Round function will do what? It rounds the number to the specified digits. So write a number and specify a digit or at which digit you require. So you just simply equals to round bracket and the number and specify the number of digits till where you want to round it off. So just specify and just press enter key there and you will get the 2.45 there. Then we have exponent. So it's known as exp in that. It will do what? It will return the natural logarithm raised to the power of a number. For example, equals to exp and the number it is given. So as you press enter key there, you will get the natural logarithm of the particular number. Then we have sqrt. Short form is square root. Returns the square root of a number. As you give the number here sqrt9, it will get what? 3. Then we have power. Power will do what? As you specify number here, it will multiply a particular number and number of times of the power. For example, power 5 comma 2. So it will multiply 5 by 2 times there. Okay, as you press enter key there, you will get 25 there. Then we have MOD. It's short form of modulus. So now MOD will return what? MOD will return remainder of the division. Whatever division take place, whatever the remainder is there, it will return that. For example, we write equals to MOD bracket open 15 comma 4. It will be what? 15 divided by 4. The remainder will be 3. Now today function. This will display the current date in the selected cell. Whichever cell you will write it, it will show the result there only. Equals to today. In this function, you will notice that this function is not having any argument. Means the bracket is empty. So any function which is not having any argument is known as zero argument function. Later on, we will see that today function is used for many purposes. We can put many types of arguments in the bracket in today's, and we will get many types of different types of results there. So remember one thing, the function which is not having anything in the bracket is known as zero argument functions. Otherwise they all functions are having one argument, or you can say two argument functions are there. Whatever type values they are having, that type number of arguments they are having, or known as that one argument, zero argument, or two argument, three argument. One thing to note down here, that values in the arguments can be replaced by cell address also. In place of all these values I put it down there, you can use cell addresses in place of that, and the functions will work on the addresses also, on the values in the addresses stored. Okay, now in the next video also I will discuss few more functions with you. Thank you.